Hey guys, it's Veronica Franks again. I am here with the spreadsheet that I created for LuLaRoe Consultants, and I wanted to go over how to unprotect the sheet or the tabs, each of the tabs, and also how to hide rows that you may not be using. This spreadsheet is set up as protected, so when you download it, you are only able to enter numbers into these yellow cells. In order to make any changes to any other cells, you would need to unprotect the spreadsheet. Right now we're in wholesale, so all you need to do is go up to Review, click on Unprotect Sheet, and the password is very simple. It is LULA, all lowercase. You press OK. Now that our sheet is unprotected, we can go ahead with the next step and hide the rows that we are not using. As you can see, I don't have any Julias. So what I want to do is get rid of this entire row. To get rid of a row, all you need to do is go over to the number next to the row. So this is number 6. I'm going to right click, and then all I want to do is go down to hide. Click on hide, and as you can see, that row is now gone. I also want to get rid of Jill, Lola, and Lucy. So all I need to do is select those 3 rows by highlighting them, right click, again click hide, and those rows are gone. If you need to unhide the rows, you'll just pull this down, and you can do that up there as well. So what I want to do now is move over to the Retail tab and repeat everything that I just did. Again, go up to Review, Unprotect, type LULA, all lowercase, press OK. Then you're going to select that row, right click, select hide, then we want to select those 3 rows, right click, and select hide. Once you're done with all of your edits, a very important thing to do is protect the sheet so you don't accidentally mess up one of the formulas that have been entered. So you go up to Protect Sheet. I would just use the same password, LULA, press OK. You have to re-enter the password. And then go back to the wholesale sheet and protect that one, Lula, and press OK. If you are interested in downloading the spreadsheet, you just go to veronicafranks.com. Right up here on the main page, you can download the spreadsheet by clicking this link. It'll pop up on your downloads. Click that, and it may take a few seconds to open up. As soon as it opens, click Enable Editing, and then you are all set to start entering your inventory count. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.